Wow, guys, this is the Avengers superhero Hulk. Wow. Guys, this is the Avengers superhero ninja. Wow. Guys, this is the mini superhero Batman. Guys, this is the silver and black color Batman. Guys, this is the Avengers superheroes pictures. Guys, this is Hulk picture and this is Thor. Guys, this is Captain America and this is Iron Man. And guys, this is Brock Lesnar. Guys, this is the action figure fighting hero Brock Lesnar. Wow. Guys, this is Captain America. Wow, what a great and very fancy superhero, guys. Captain America. Guys, this is the mini army man. Wow. Amazing. Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero, guys? This is Thor. Wow, amazing. Guys, this is mini Spiderman. Wow. Guys, do you know what is the name of this superhero, guys? Guys, this is Thanos. Wow. Guys, what a most powerful superhero in the world, guys. Wow. Guys, this is Superman. Wow, guys, what an amazing and very fantastic superhero Superman. I check the chest light in the superhero. Wow. I check, this is mini Spiderman. Wow, guys, what an amazing and very nice superhero, mini Spiderman. Wow.